Question number 1. Which Indian city is nicknamed Yoga City? Option A. Pathankot, B. Rishikesh, C. Srinagar, D. Gandhinagar. Answer is option B. Rishikesh. Question number 2. Which Indian city is nicknamed City of Thousand Temples? Option A. Mahabalipuram, B. Kanchipuram, C. Venkateswara, D. Sri Sailam. Answer is option B. Kanchipuram. Question number 3. Which city is known as the City of the Golden Temple? Option A. Kolkata, B. Kerala, C. Jaipur, D. Amritsar. Answer is option D. Amritsar. Question number 4. Which of the following city is nicknamed Blue City? Option A. Kota, B. Jodhpur, C. Jaisalmer, D. Bikaner. Answer is option B. Jodhpur. Question number 5. Which Indian city is known as Steel City of India? Option A. Jamshedpur, B. Lucknow, C. Pathankot, D. Ladakh. Answer is option A. Jamshedpur. Question number 6. Which Indian city is known as the Scotland of India? Option A. Pune, B. Manali, C. Karnataka, D. Srinagar. Answer is option C. Karnataka. Question number 7. Which Indian city is called the Queen of Hills? Option A. Manali, B. Darjeeling, C. Gangtok, D. None of these. Answer is option B. Darjeeling. Question number 8. Which state is known as the Land of Five Rivers? Option A. Kerala, B. Rajasthan, C. Punjab, D. Haryana. Answer is option C. Punjab. Question number 9. Which city is known as Switzerland of India? Option A. Kolkata, B. Kashmir, C. Kerala, D. Jaipur. Answer is option B. Kashmir. Question number 10. Which city is known as Diamond Harbour? Option A. Amritsar, B. Lucknow, C. Kolkata, D. Shimla. Answer is option C. Kolkata. Question number 11. Presently, how many national parks are there in India? Option A. 206, B. 106, C. 90, D. 125. Answer is option B. 106. Question number 12. In which year did India make its Wildlife Protection Act? Option A. 1967, B. 1972, C. 1971, D. 1990. Answer is option B. 1972. Question number 13. Where is Kaziranga National Park located? Option A. Assam, B. Maharashtra, C. Uttarakhand, D. Telangana. Answer is option A. Assam. Question number 14. Which one of the following animals can hear ultrasonic sound? Option A. Rat, B. Cat, C. Squirrel, D. Bat. Answer is option D. Bat. Question number 15. Which is the fastest snake on land? Option A. Python, B. Black mamba, C. Anaconda, D. Viper. Answer is option B, black mamba. Question number 16. How much maximum water can a cow drink in a single day? Option A 20 liter, B 100 liter, C 150 liter, D 70 liter. Answer is option C 150 liter. Question number 17. What is the maximum weight of Asian elephants? Option A 4,000 kilograms, B 3,000 kilograms, C 2,000 kilograms, D 1,000 kilogram. Answer is option A 4,000 kilogram. Question number 18. Which dog has the strongest sense of smell? Option A German Shepherd, B Bloodhound, C Basset Hound, D Pointer. Answer is option B Bloodhound. Question number 19. How many lions are there in India? Option A 155, B 230, C 674, D 990. Answer is option C 674. Question number 20. What is the average maximum age of a rat? Option A 6 months, B 1 year, C 5 years, D 3 years. Answer is option D 3 years.